The product of 3 minus 5x and x square plus 2x minus 7 is very simple. Multiply step by step. Multiply 3 with everything. So we get 3x square plus 6x minus 21. Okay. Minus 5x into x square minus 5x cube minus 5x into 2x minus 10x square minus 5x into minus 7 plus 35x. Be careful with the sign. Make sure your exponents are fine. You're good to go. So the highest power is x cube. Is only one term, minus 5x cube. And then there is x square. X square is there in two terms, plus 3x square minus 10x square. 3x square minus 10x square is minus 7x square. Then we have an x term which has 6 and 35 plus 6x plus 35x, which is 41x. So we've accounted for this, and this. Finally, we have a minus 21. We're looking for minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 41x minus 21, which is choice B. Methodically multiply, put like terms together, add them and combine them. We are good to go.